Hello everyone, friends, and welcome to our channel. In today's video, I will show you and tell you how you can switch from 12-hour time on your phone to 24-hour time. Friends, please subscribe to the channel, put your likes, write comments under the video, and let's get started. And let me tell you that this process of switching the time on iPhone is very simple. So, let's say if you have the time spelled the same way I do. Let's say I have 5:30 right now, but it's not clear if it's morning or evening and you want to switch from 12 o'clock time. Then you can go to your phone settings, you can go to basic settings. And here select date and time. And as you can see, there is a 24-hour time zone. You can activate it very easily. And as you can see, instantly the time changed and I'm now saying 17:30. And you can also deactivate it very easily and leave it the way you want it. Friends, I really hope this video was useful for you. Please put your likes, write comments, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. See you soon.